Welcome to Shiash Info Solutions.
Hi, my name is Rohit, and I recently completed my master's in computer science. So a few months back, I actually applied for. I got a call from Shiash Info Solutions from the HR, saying that I was selected for the internship. So this internship was actually in data science. So for the past 3 months, I was learning new things in data science field. So after completing my internship training, I actually got a project which was contact tracing. So after completing that, I submitted, and I after a few days I got a call that I've been selected for to receive my stipend, and now I've received it. Thank you.